Okay, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily add new levels to a physics puzzle game that's created by Appeality that you can actually purchase from exclusively on Code Canyon. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that on the Feed the Roddy physics game that's available on Code Canyon. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is come to www.sira.com. That's where you're going to get Construct 2, which is the program used to create the game. And you're going to scroll down and you're going to go to download. And the stable release is R132, so that's the one you want to actually download and install. So that's going to be a pretty simple installation, standard software installation. So once you get that done, you'll be able to go to your source files that you purchased from Code Canyon, and within the source file you'll see a physics puzzle 1.caproj, and you just want to double click on that and it'll open up automatically in Construct. And I already have that open here. So in Construct, let's go, once you open up, just to keep things simple, let's go ahead and just make sure no tabs are open. I'm going to resize the window a little bit here. And the first thing we want to do is go to our game sheet, and that's going to be in the projects tab, and our game event sheet, which is going to be under event sheets, and it's going to be game. We're going to go ahead and click on that one to open that up. And then we want to go ahead back into our projects section, and we want to open our layouts folder. And you'll notice under layouts there's a level template, so I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to right click, duplicate, and I'm going to rename that to level 11 because that's our last level was level 10. So we're going to go ahead and go with level 11, and I'm going to double click on that, and now I have level 11 open. Okay, so I'm going to resize this a little bit here, and obviously depending on what physics puzzle game you have, there'll be different objectives. The objective for this game is for you to get the dog down to the food bowl. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to make sure that I am on in layers. I'm going to make sure that my background layer is locked and my UI layer is locked, and that I'm on the game layer. Okay, and then I'm going to resize that. I'm going to go ahead into the actual layout screen and move my dog toward the top. And then from here I can go to my projects tab, scroll up, and just collapse that layouts folder and go into object types. Now in object types I have my different game types. I can drag over a crate. That's going to be a standard crate. I can drag over our standard plank. I can use a steel plank here, and TNT box, and I only have to drag over one of these, and I'll show you how to quickly duplicate those in Construct 2, which is a nice feature. And also in this game we collect chew toys, which is an extra bonus. So alright, now that I have that, I'm gonna go ahead and make that screen a little bit bigger so you can see what we're doing here. Okay, now that I have that, I can go ahead and rearrange things the way that I want them. So I'm going to show you how to quickly duplicate the different objects. If I come here, how I have this crate selected, if I hold control and I just drag out, then I can create multiple boxes here. So I created 3 boxes by doing that. Okay, and TNT is an explosive box, so it's gonna, when you explode that box, it'll move the other crates or boxes as well. So I can move a plank here, and I can also duplicate the plank. And remember, the objective is to get the dog down to the food bowl, so I can move these anywhere I want to. I can have a chew toy here, and I can create another one here, and those are going to be my extra little additions to make the gameplay more creative. And then when I'm done there, obviously you'll want to go with a more detailed level, harder than the previous levels. I'll just go ahead to pull down my file menu, and I'll go to export project, and I'll select HTML5 website, and then I'll export, and then you would next upload that back to your server, and you'll have your additional levels. And for any further levels, you just repeat that process. Thanks.